In the silent vastness above, countless eyes watch over our pale blue, observing the intricate dance of life and the subtle shifts of an ever-changing world. From swirling ocean currents to the breath of burning forests, these silent sentinels capture stories invisible to the naked eye. They reveal a planet in constant flux, whispering tales of growth, destruction, and profound transformation. One such story unfolds across the Atlantic, where the Great Sargassum Belt, a colossal floating algae mass, has reached near-record levels in 2026. Once a moderate ecosystem, its proliferation now chokes marine life and fouls coastlines, driven by ocean warming and nutrient surges. NASA's PACE satellite, with its advanced ocean color instrument, tracks this shifting green tide, offering an unprecedented view of this aquatic renaissance. Yet, as the oceans teem with life, land-based threats rage with increasing ferocity. In July 2026, dry thunderstorms ignited dozens of wildfires across Oregon, blanketing the state in thick smoke. Fueled by extreme drought and gusty winds, these blazes charred over 1 million acres, pushing firefighters to their limits. NASA's Aqua satellite captured the devastating scale, providing crucial data for those battling the inferno below. This relentless pursuit of observation extends even to the personal realm, where technology democratizes our view of the world. Drones like the new DJI Lido 1, with its omnidirectional obstacle sensing, empower us to capture our immediate surroundings with unprecedented detail and safety. It's a testament to humanity's innate desire to see more, understand more, and navigate complex environments, from our backyards to the cosmos. But our gaze doesn't stop at Earth's atmosphere. NASA's Roman Space Telescope, fueled and poised for its August 2026 launch, represents the next giant leap into the unknown. This magnificent observatory, generating over 500 terabytes of data annually, will complement the James Webb Space Telescope, offering a 50 times wider infrared view of the universe. It's designed to unravel the deepest cosmic enigmas. Stationed at the gravitationally stable Lagrange point 2, alongside JWST, Roman will hunt for habitable exoplanets, dissect supernova explosions, and illuminate the elusive forces of dark matter and dark energy. Its ultra-wide vision will map galaxy movements on an unprecedented scale, painting a grand tapestry of the universe's hidden mechanics. This is more than observation. It's a cosmic tag team, revealing the very fabric of space-time. From the shifting green belts of our oceans to the fiery scars on our lands, and out to the invisible architecture of the cosmos, our technology expands our senses. These eyes in the sky, whether orbiting Earth or venturing into deep space, are not just tools. They are extensions of humanity's boundless curiosity, our unyielding drive to understand, to protect, and to explore the grand, mysterious narrative of existence.